Good morning, students. Today we are going to know about the addition of binomial expressions. Okay, here I have written one question. Is it possible? Addition can be done only with the like terms, that is, banana and banana, apple and apple. But banana plus apple or apple plus banana is not possible. Similarly, here are the examples. 2a plus 5a will give me 7a. It's just like that, 2 apples plus 5 apples will give me 7 apples. But if I am having 2 apples and 3 bananas, that addition cannot be there. Result is 2 apples and 3 bananas only. Okay, so try to understand this one. Addition or subtraction can be done with the like terms only. Okay, so we'll solve some examples. That is addition. Here two types of arrangements are there. I am going to solve one arrangement, that is horizontal arrangement now, and afterwards I'll explain how to do the vertical arrangement also. First we will understand how to solve examples with the horizontal arrangements. Okay, the first example, 7a plus 3b, this is our first term, plus 5b plus 10a. Here this is the first term and this is the second term. You have to find out which terms are like terms, and those terms I am keeping in one bracket. So 7a, I have to find out like term to 7a, that is 10a. So I will underline that and I will put them in one bracket. Then addition sign will be there. Then 3b and 5b in the second bracket. Right? So 7 plus 10a. How to do the addition? It's simple. 7 plus 10a. And 3b plus 5b is nothing but 3 plus 5b. So here answer is 7 plus 10 is 17a plus 3 plus 5 is 8b. So 7a plus 3b plus 5b plus 10a will give me the answer 17a plus 8b. Right? Another one question we will see. 2a plus 6b plus 8c and 16a plus 13c plus 18b. Here we have to arrange them like this, that each and every like term should be together. So this is our first term, addition sign, second term. Okay, so 2a is my first term in this one. So I have to find out the like term in the second bracket. So 2a like term to this one is 16a. So I will keep them in one bracket and write addition sign in between. Then 6b, then I have to find out here which is the b term. Here is a b term. So 18b, that will be in the second bracket. In the third bracket, 8c and 13c. So do the addition. 2 plus 16 is 18a. 6 plus 18 is 24b and 8 plus 13 is 21c. So answer for 2a plus 6b plus 8c and second term is 16a plus 13c plus 18b will give me 18a plus 24b plus 21c. Okay, we'll see another one question. Here is a third question. A minus 2b plus 3a plus 4b. In first two examples, all the terms were having the positive sign. But now here is the negative sign. So how to solve that? That only we have to find out. So first term is a minus 2b plus 3a plus 4b. So a is this one and you have to find out the like term to a. A plus 3a is having the plus sign. So I will write 3a plus a here. Plus sign in between. Then minus 2b is there. So I am not going to change the sign here. I will keep the sign as it is. So minus 2b plus 4b. Then a plus 3a will give me 4a plus minus 2 plus 4. Here is the same rule we have to follow. Subtract the smaller number from the bigger number and give the sign of bigger number. So 4 minus 2, 2 is the answer and sign of 4 is plus. So 2b. So answer for this one is 4a plus 2b. Another one question we will see. 3y square minus 10y plus 16 and 2y minus 7. You have to add these two terms. So 3y square, if you find here any like term is there, there is no like term. So you will keep 3y square as it is. Plus, now this 10y is having minus sign. So I have kept that inside the bracket. So plus sign is here, but actually 10y is having the minus sign. Then I will find out any y or like term for this one. Yes, here is 2y. So minus 10y plus 2y in the second bracket. Then third bracket, here is a 16 and here is a 7. But 7 is having minus sign. So 16 minus 7. So finally I will get 3y square is as alone it is. So I will write 3y as it is. Then minus 8y. Why minus 8y? Because 10y and 2y. Here 10 is having negative sign and 2 is having positive sign. Subtract the smaller number from the bigger number and give the sign of bigger one. So 10 minus 2 is 8. Sign of 10 is minus. So minus 8y is the answer. Then 16 minus 7. This is easy. You can write down the answer. So 3y square minus 8y plus 9 is the answer. Now the next question. X square plus 2x plus 4 and 5x square plus 5x plus 2y plus 10. Here x square is having similar term or like term as a 5x square. 2x is having 5x. 4 is having 10 but 2y is remaining as it is. So I will keep that here. Then addition of this one. 1, nothing is there means 1. 1 plus 5 is 6x square. 2x plus 5x is 7x. 4 plus 10 is 14 plus 2y. Okay. The another one question we will see. X square plus 2ax plus 14 and y square plus 9ax plus 2. Here x square and y square, they are not having like terms. So keep them as it is. So x square plus y square will remain as it is. Then 2ax is having similar or like term as 9ax and 14 plus 2. So 9 plus 2 is 11ax and 14 plus 2 is 16. So today we have seen the addition of algebraic expression in the horizontal arrangement. Next time we'll see how to do the arrangement in the vertical arrangement and solve that. Okay, I hope you can understand this one and practice some examples and solve all these examples in your classwork. Okay, thank you.